Hi everyone, I am Ravi Kumar. In this YouTube channel, I am going to explain and implement AI, ML, and deep learning projects. So before implementing the projects, let's understand what is a machine learning. A machine learning is an algorithm of AI that assists systems to learn from different types of dataset. So it is a subset of AI where computers learn about different things without being explicitly programmed, meaning in the past computers could only do what we have programmed, but in machine learning they can learn and improve on its own and behave like humans and gain knowledge based on their past experience. So from the diagram we can say an input data is fed into the traditional programming. We apply some logic and an output is generated, but in case of machine learning, an input data and output data is fed into the machine learning algorithms. We create a model and we predict for feature analysis to make smart decisions. Machine learnings can be further divided into three types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. So let's understand what is supervised learning. Supervised learning is a method of machine learning that uses labeled dataset to train its algorithm for data classification and outcome prediction. So from the diagram we can see we are providing the machines with images of apple and strawberry, and the goal of our machine is to identify and classify the data for apples and strawberries. So we train the dataset that is fed into the model with labels. So we are telling the machine that if feature have a particular shapes or textures, then classify them accordingly. So we can see this. So we can see this image as an apple and this image as an strawberry. So when the next time input is given based on these features, machine will automatically identify whether it is an apple or strawberry. Further, supervised learning is divided into regression and classification. So in regression problem, our output variable is of numerical ones. In classification problem, our output variable is of categorical ones. Let's see examples of supervised learning. So predicting the house price on a particular locations, stock exchange prices, so spam detection, whether our email is a spam or not. So what is unsupervised learning? Unsupervised learning is a subset of machine learning in which the algorithms are given raw data without any labels or clear instructions on how to use it. The learning algorithm should be able to recognize its structure on its own with the input data. So here we are given unlabeled data without any labels. So our task of the machine is to identify the hidden structures in the data set. The model groups the data based on the similarities and patterns found in the images, and it forms like a cluster. This is one cluster, this is two clusters. So in for cluster 1, the output is apple. In cluster 2, the output is strawberry. Examples of unsupervised learnings are customer segmentation, means the segmentation of customers on the basis of their similar characteristics, behavior, and needs. This will eventually help the company in many ways, like they can launch a product or enhance the features accordingly. Pattern recognition. It is a process of identifying the trends in a given pattern. So, what is reinforcement learning? Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning that somewhere falls between supervised and unsupervised learning. So, here agents are we have an agent, we have an environment, and we have an action and reward. So here agents are self-trained on reward and punishment mechanism. It is about taking the best possible actions and minimum punishment through observations in a specific situations. So from the diagram, we can see we have an agent as a dog and a master in the environment. Let's imagine you are training your dog to get the stick when you throw. Each time the dog gets a stick successfully, you offer him a meat. So eventually the dog understands the patterns that whenever the master throws a stick, it should get the meat from the master in a lesser time. Examples of reinforcement learning are traffic light control, robotics, games. I hope you understand this concept, what I have explained in today's video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. and comment my mistakes. That's it for the day.